Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the HTML templates with ng template. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. ng template is a special Angular directive that allows developers to define templates that can be rendered conditionally or based on the specific logic. It doesn't produce any extra DOM element but can be used as a placeholder for the content that needs to be displayed dynamically. Key features: no DOM node, logic based rendering. It allows the application of the structural directive like ngIf, ngFor on it without needing an additional DOM node. Content projection facilitates dynamic content rendering and the customization. So this is the code for template. Okay, and the content goes over here. Let's take an example. So this is our example. Conditional display the content based on the variable. So here you can see that ng container we have used, and if it is logged in, then go with the welcome back user, else login prompt. So ng template hash login prompt. So this will render with the help of the ng template. So here you can see is logged in, because here we have made it false, right? So this is logged in because you have make the is logged in to be false. If I make it true, right, so it will go with the first block. Okay, here you can see welcome back user, right? So if is logged in is true, the first block will be displayed. If the logged in is false, the login prompt block will be displayed. Okay, next we have already discussed this one, right? So if condition else no content, so it will go with this block. When to use the ng template? When needing a placeholder for the content to be displayed dynamically. For the conditional content rendering, when separating the layout from the logic in templates. Using the ng template in the Angular offers flexibility and the clean structure by keeping the DOM minimal and ensuring that the logic driven content that can be displayed efficiently, right? So this is how we can use that one. And without any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.